Today, what's up? Take two. What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today I'm doing Life is a Squishy Scammer Part 2. So basically, you wanted a Part 2 of Life is a Squishy Scammer, so that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, in the last video, making a crunchy squishy, adding slime. This is the finished product, and it makes a really nice sound. I really like the sound. Anyway, let's just get on with the video. Guys, I feel like ordering some squishies. That's awesome. Hello, please can I order some squishies? Of course you can, my darling. I don't even need them. Oh, thank you. Okay. Yes, she said I can have all of her squishies. Okay, guys, so let's get her some of her squishies. Let's get her squishies. Okay, let's set up this. Okay, so first she wanted a crunchy ice cream, and I've got that. I got the crunchy ice cream. There it goes. She also wanted a doll squishy, and I've got one of those. I really don't want to give it away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a bee squishy. Everybody likes bee squishies, right? Put that in there. Next she wanted a sock squishy. Well, I've got that. I don't mind giving that away. Okay, next she wanted what she want? Oh yeah, she wanted a big elephant. I've got that, and I don't really want it, so she can have it. Look how slow rising it is. Well, it's actually fast rising, but it's still squishy. Okay, what did she want? Oh, she also wanted some crunchy tinsel slime. She also wanted some slime, so I said she can have slime too. Got some crunchy tinsel slime. She's gonna have that. Okay, that's all she wanted. This. Oh, let's go put it in front of her door. Oh, my squishies are here. Take two. If you enjoyed this video and maybe want a part 2 of me unboxing the squishies, then comment down below. Bye. I love you guys so much.